Did you know that even if you walk every single day, you could still be losing muscle every year after 60? That's right. Your strength, balance, and energy might be fading even while you're staying active. Walking keeps you moving, but it doesn't completely protect your muscles from shrinking. Most people think daily walking is enough, but the truth is, it only works part-time. Today, I'll show you 5 nutrition-based techniques that rebuild strength safely at home. Stay until the end. You'll learn a Japanese longevity routine that keeps adults strong into their 80s. And if you're new here, hit subscribe for weekly Age Well nutrition tips. Let's dive into what's really happening inside your body after 50. The hidden cause. Sarcopenia. Inside your muscles, a quiet change begins. It's called sarcopenia, or age-related muscle loss. You might not notice it in the mirror, but it slowly weakens your legs and posture. Walking is great for your heart, but it doesn't challenge those shrinking muscle fibers. Think of it like spending more than you earn. You're using energy, but not rebuilding tissue. A 2024 Harvard study found even active adults lost twice as much strength with low protein. So yes, walking is healthy, but your muscles may still be starving. Let's fix that with 5 simple, science-backed steps. Fix number 1, morning protein timing. The first fix, feed your muscles early. Morning protein timing is everything. Most older adults start the day with toast or tea, but no real protein. Within 2 hours of waking, aim for 30 grams of protein. Try 2 eggs, Greek yogurt, oats, and a handful of berries. Or make a smoothie. Milk, banana, and peanut butter work perfectly. It's not about more food, it's about smarter timing. Morning protein triggers muscle repair all day long. In studies, that single habit improved leg strength faster than workouts alone. Fix number 2, resistance around meals. Next, pair small movements with meals. It's called meal pairing movement. Using your muscles near eating time boosts protein absorption by 30%. Before breakfast, do 10 chair squats or 10 wall push-ups. Or right after lunch, take a 1-minute walk and flex your calves. This simple activation tells your body where to send the nutrients. No gym, no weights. Just turn on the muscles you plan to feed. Think of it as switching your body from idle to active mode. Fix number 3, leucine-rich foods. Now let's talk about leucine, the amino acid that sparks new muscle growth. Without enough leucine, your body can't rebuild tissue effectively. Top sources include fish, eggs, dairy, lentils, and soy. Add one of these to every meal. Even a small portion counts. Rule of thumb, 1 palm-sized protein source per plate. That keeps your body in rebuild mode instead of maintenance. It's a tiny change that creates visible strength gains in weeks. Leucine is the spark, protein is the fuel. Use both together. Fix number 4, hydration and electrolytes. Your muscles are 75% water, and dehydration kills performance. Even mild fluid loss can cut strength by 10%. Start each day with a glass of water plus a pinch of salt or electrolytes. Keep a bottle nearby and sip through the day. Add lemon or cucumber for taste. Whatever helps you drink more. Hydration moves nutrients into your muscle cells. Think of water as your muscle transport system. Without it, even perfect nutrition can't reach its destination. Fix number 5, sleep and night repair. Most rebuilding happens while you sleep. Go to bed hungry and your body breaks down muscle for fuel. Eat a small protein snack 30 to 60 minutes before bed. Try Greek yogurt, milk, or cottage cheese with almonds. That steady fuel keeps your muscles repairing overnight. You're not just sleeping, You're rebuilding yourself while you rest. Consistent sleep and night nutrition can reverse weakness. Feed your body before rest. It thanks you in strength. Walking is not enough. Let's clear this up. Walking is wonderful, but it's not repair. It keeps your heart strong and mind clear, yet muscles need extra work. Combine walking with resistance, hydration, and protein. That trio, movement, fuel, recovery, creates real change. Miss one and you'll plateau no matter how far you walk. You can't walk your way out of muscle loss, but you can eat and move your way back to strength. Japanese longevity habit. Now for a bonus lesson from Japan's famous blue zones. These communities have some of the strongest elders on earth. Their secret? A simple rhythm: stretch, eat, walk, rest, repeat. They move gently before breakfast and eat fish or soy protein. Their meals balance protein, plants, and light salt. It's consistency, not intensity, that keeps them strong. That same pattern can transform your mornings too. Do small things daily. That's how longevity really works. Walking keeps you active. Nutrition keeps you strong. Combine both, and you'll age with power instead of loss. If this helped, tap subscribe for more Age Well nutrition guides. Share this video with someone who wants to stay strong after